Let me show you some camera tips and tricks for Realme Note 70C. So we're going to start with the blur that we have in the portrait mode. If you're looking for a way to blur the background while taking photos, you can go to the portrait mode and you should be able to find this F button, which is used for depth of field, also known as blur. And we can apply a stronger effect by moving all the way to the left, or some weaker ones by moving to the right. Of course, you can also use it for the front camera. This works just fine as well. Besides that, we also have stickers mode in more section, which allows you to apply some various filters. Over here on the left side, we can tap on this button in order to find these filters. We can also find different categories over here. And let's say I'm gonna use this one. Let's see how it looks like. So as you can see, we can find a bunch of different effects that you can, for example, find similar on Snapchat. So instead of using different apps for filters, you can just use your camera, in some cases at least, if you can find something interesting. Now, besides that, we can also go to the settings of the camera. So tap over here. Let's actually go to photo mode first. Tap over here on these three lines, and let's open settings. In settings, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find shooting methods, which is kind of cool way to capture photos by either tapping on anywhere on the screen in order to capture the photo. So if you have the camera preview, you can just tap on it in order to take the photo. You don't have to use the shutter button. And there is also the show palm gesture, so you can show your hand while using the front camera in order to start the countdown. So if you want to take like a selfie photo from a distance, then of course you can just show your hand and then you can take a photo like this. Besides that, over here we can also find the volume button action option, where we can use our volume button to zoom in and zoom out. So if we go back now, I can press volume up in order to zoom in, as you can see over here, or zoom out. Of course, in terms of zooming in and out, we also have this gesture over here, so we can spread two fingers apart or make them come closer like this to adjust the zoom. And also you can press and hold your finger on the zoom bar over here in order to open this wheel, this half a wheel, and we can swipe left and right to adjust the zoom like this. And last but not least, while we do not have the macro photo mode available on the smartphone, we can actually use a little trick that allows us to take macro photos. More precisely, you need to simply keep the distance between the small subject and your camera like this, and then we can use the zoom to simply capture the small subject. You don't want to come too close because of course you will lose the focus, but if you keep a little bit of distance, you should be able to capture a pretty decent photo. And of course you don't want to use too much zoom as well, because otherwise you will lose the quality of the photo. The quality will be simply worse. So like I said, while we do not have a dedicated macro, button, option, mode, etc., or even the camera, this is one of the ways that allows us to take macro photos. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.